Hello, and welcome to How to Play with Your Dog. Hello, Arya. What do you want to play today? Huh? You want to play wrestling, or do you want to play fetch? You want to play tug of war? Hey, Arya, what do you want? What do you want this one? Well, it appears she wants to start off with the ball. Okay, so this one used to squeak. She has since broken the squeaker ability. You want that, Arya? Oh. You can see she's getting ready to play. She wants to grab it, but she's not going full 100% into play mode yet. Okay. Sometimes you just need to like kiss her on the nose to get in play mode. Arya. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. Alright, Arya. Okay, I think she's almost there. Go get the ball. She went to get the ball. See if she brings it back. She's still getting the ball. There you go, Arya. Nicely done. Okay, can you let go? Drop it, Arya. Arya, drop the ball. Thank you. Let's throw it this way now. Good girl. Good girl. Can you drop it? Can you drop the ball? She doesn't really like to drop the ball. You have to like kind of fight for the ball. Like to play tug of war with it, which is why we got her this one. Well, you want this one? Yeah. Now she can play tug of war. Tug it. Tug it, Arya. Alright. You want it? You want it? Okay. Arya. Yeah. Tug it. Another thing to do, these ones aren't really for play, but they're the Kong. You can put treats inside of there. There's nothing in there, I'm sorry, Arya. Let's play some more. Let's play some more. The one you want. What do you want? Squeaker. You want a squeaker? Sometimes I like to lay on the ground and throw the ball in the air, and sometimes she'll like jump on you. Oh. Oh! Yeah, you're a good girl. You are such a good girl. Okay. Can you lay down? Can you sit? Can you sit? I think she just wants to keep playing with this ball. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll keep playing with you. Can you give it to me though? Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Hey, let go. You let go of the ball. Let go of the ball. Got the ball. She likes to, well, we don't let her on one couch, but she likes to jump on this other couch. I like the way she hops. Keeps her muscles in action. Okay. And if you're not paying attention to her, she just kind of shoves that ball right in your face when you're reading or playing video games or watching a movie. A little annoying, but fun all nonetheless. Okay, you want to play the tug of war? You want to play the tug of war? Let's play the tug of war. Okay, that's a good tug. It's a good tug. Sometimes I just kind of walk her around until she finds a good spot that she can tug from. Hopefully she doesn't get really dizzy from it. Arya, I love you. I love you, Arya. Can you sit? Roll over. Sit. You want to roll over? Oh, I'll teach you a trick. I'll show you a trick that she does. Arya, sit. They don't roll over. Oh, good girl. Oh, careful. Did you eat it already? Well, that's my girl. Can you shake? No, shake. Oh, okay. You're not doing it right. Shake. You're a little too excited now. I'll give it to you. Well, that's just a little entrance into what it's like in the day of Arya and DMAGICIAN2500 playtime. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you have a great day. And if you can get a dog, I suggest getting a dog. Yeah, dogs are great. And you're great. We all love you. We all love you, Arya. What are you licking your lips for? I just fed you. Ooh. Like some butt scratches?